Hi, my name is Amelie Carrano, and this is my website final presentation. My website is my online portfolio and also a kind of resume. On the home page, I have some information about myself and about what I do. Here I have some of my skills and some projects on visual identity and a link to my contact page. This is the contact page. It's very simple and I want to improve it later. I also have this projects page which I will separate by type of project. By now I just have visual identity and I have one example of my projects. Here I have education page as part of my resume. This is the blog page which is a requirement of this course, and this project here is from another course. The contact page, and finally the store page. For the store page I made some products for illustration, and I really enjoyed it to learn how to make this store, because I didn't know how to do it, and it was easier than I thought. And the most difficult part for this course, I think, is to remember everything we learned during these 7 weeks. So I hope I will have opportunities to work more on WordPress. So this is it. Thank you for watching.